Dear students, welcome to Amar Ghare Amar School. Today we are going to have a class for the students of class 7 English second paper. Hope all of you are keeping well. So today we are going to talk about transformation of sentences. At first we must know what transformation of sentence is. Transformation of sentence is a kind of way that you have to change the structure of the sentence, but you cannot change the meaning of the sentence at all. So today let us begin with transformation of sentence. As you know that there are 5 kinds of transformation of sentences. There are 5 types of sentences. They are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, operative sentence and exclamative sentence. So today at first we will talk about the transformation of from affirmative to negative sentence. So affirmative to negative. So let me write 3 sentences at first. Only God can save us. Mehrab likes only ice cream. The boy is only 12. So if you look at these 3 sentences, you can see a very common thing, that is you can see only word, that is only, in 3 sentences, but their position is not the same. Only in the first sentence, as you can see that only is demonstrating the word God. In second sentence, only is demonstrating the word ice cream, and in the third sentence only is demonstrating the word 12. So if you look at these 3 sentences, at the very beginning, in the first sentence only is demonstrating God. So when the word only demonstrates God or Allah or any person, and if you want to make it negative, that only turns into none but. So none but God can save us. Now come to the second sentence. As you can see that this only is demonstrating the word ice cream, and you know ice cream is a thing, it is not a person, it is a thing. But when the word only demonstrates anything, then only becomes nothing but. Or Mehrab likes nothing but ice cream. Now come to the third sentence. Here only is demonstrating the word, that is a number. So when only demonstrates any number, only turns into not more than or less, not less than. So it is preferable to use not more than. So it will be the boy is not more than 12. So we have already learned the use of only in affirmative sentence, and in 3 different cases they become none but in case of person, they become nothing but in case of thing, and they become not more than in case of before the word number. Okay, so now come to the second rule. We must obey our parents. So dear students, as you can see on the board, we must obey our parents. Before the main verb, if you see the modal auxiliary must, So, if you see the modal auxiliary must, and if you want to make it negative, the modal auxiliary must will be turned into cannot but, cannot but. It will be we cannot but obey our parents. There is another way to do it. In case of cannot but, you can use cannot help. We cannot help obeying our parents. You can follow either of these two, but if you follow cannot help, you must add ing with the main verb. So, I hope that you have understood. Now, come to the next rule. He likes both coffee and ice cream. So, in a sentence, if you see the existence of both or and, if they combine two words, two persons, two things, and if there is only and, not both and, you can find both dash dash and or only and. So, in this case, if you want to make it negative, what you have to do? You have to use not only but also. For example, he likes both coffee and ice cream. So, it will be he likes not only coffee but also ice cream. This both will be not only and will be but also. So, it will be a negative sentence. Now, come to the next rule. Every mother loves her child. So, every plus noun. If you see this kinds of affirmative sentence and if you want to make it negative, what you have to do? At first, you have to use there is no. There is no. There is no. After that, you have to use the word noun, mother. There is no mother, and after that, you have to use but. There is no mother but loves her child. Loves her child. You can do it in another way. There is no mother who does not love her child. So, you can do it in another way. No mother hates her child. You have to learn three of this. You may think that, so why will you learn these three ways? You must know the three ways because you know that you are learning from affirmative to negative, but you can also be asked to transform the sentence from negative to affirmative. What I am talking about, the rules from affirmative to negative. Remember, all the rules are just vice versa. That I am just teaching you, I am just talking about from affirmative to negative, and every rule just the same and opposite to the negative to affirmative, that is called vice versa. So, I think this is a very important sentence. These kinds of structures are commonly said in the exams. So, I hope that all of you have understood. Now come to the next rule. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. So, you can see this is an affirmative sentence, and you can see the use of as soon as. So, when you see the phrase as soon as in an affirmative sentence, if you want to make it negative, then you have to use no sooner had. How can you do it? So, use no sooner had at first, then you have to use the subject, the thief. The no sooner had the thief, then the past participle form of the verb. Why the past participle form of the verb? Because you have used had, and when we use had in a sentence, the sentence becomes past perfect tense, and in past perfect tense, you know, the main verb always becomes verb 3, that is past participle form. So, no sooner had the thief seen the police, then you have to omit comma and you have to use a new word that is called then. And after then you have to use the next clause according to what is in the affirmative sentence. Then he ran away. So, be careful while writing then. Do not write then, T-I-C-N. It must be T-H-A-N. I hope that you have understood. Come to the next rule. I shall remember you. So, look at this sentence. So, if you see this kind of sentence, you can make it negative by using opposite word. For example, I shall remember you, I shall not forget you. I shall not forget you. I think you have understood. Now come to the next rule. Sometimes you see the use of always in affirmative sentence. I shall always, okay, let me give you the same rules by using always. I shall always remember you. Remember you. I shall always remember. If you see always in an affirmative sentence, this always will become never in the negative sentence. So, it will be I shall never forget you. And there is another example or another rule that is quite, I mean, almost same to same. So, I think it should be given right now. I sometimes visit my uncle. So, you can see the word sometimes here, and it is an affirmative sentence. When you see the word sometimes in an affirmative sentence, in negative sentence it becomes not always, not always. So, I do not always visit my uncle, visit my uncle. So, these three examples are almost same, but little differences among these three, and I hope that you have understood where the differences are. Now come to the next rule. The man is too weak to walk. So, you can see the use of to and to. This is an affirmative sentence. So, if you want to make it negative, you have to follow the rule the man is. So, instead of to you will use so. So, what you will use? Instead of to you will use so. So, the man is so weak. After that you have to use the conjunction that. Then you have to make a clause from this phrase. So, the man is so weak that he cannot walk. Dear students, you must always remember, if the main verb is past tense, is in past tense, then it will become could not. For example, if it was like this, the man was too weak to walk, then it would become the man was so weak that he could not walk. Understand? I hope that you have understood. So, come to the next rule. You know, there are some words like many, a few, and much, a little. They are the different words. So, if you see the word many in an affirmative sentence, it will become a few, and if you see the word much in an affirmative sentence, it will become a little. For example, there are many students in the class. So, it will be there are not a few students in the class. So, many have become a few. Now, there is much water in the pond. So, the negative will be there is not a little water in the pond. So, here you can see that mass has become a little. So, hope you have understood. Now, we are going to talk about the last rule of transformation of sentence from affirmative to negative. So, let me give you the example. The sun rises in the east. So this is an affirmative sentence, and this is the example of a universal truth. So if you see the example of universal truth and if you want to make it negative, you have to do it by using negative interrogative. For example, doesn't the sun rise in the east? So this is, though you can see this is interrogative, but this is the example of negative, as you can see nod here. Doesn't the sun rise in the east? So this is all about from affirmative to negative. So today let me have a recap on today's lessons. Today we have learned the use of only, we have learned the use of must, what we have to do when we see as soon as, and the use of every plus noun, universal truth sentences. So this all we have learned today. Hope if you just look at the books at your home, it will be easier for you to understand my lecture and follow it. Let me give you some homework for you, and you must do it and check it, have it checked by your subject teacher at school after your schools reopens, and it will be assessed as continuous assessment, and the marks will be added to your half yearly exam. So number 1, only he can solve the problem. Number 2, we must study regularly. Number 3, no sooner had the students seen the teacher, then they stood up. Come to 4, health is wealth. And number 5, nobody believes a liar. So you will make it negative, negative, this is affirmative, this is negative, and this is also, this is affirmative. So students, I hope that all of you have enjoyed the class. Today's class video of Amar Ghore Amar School will also be available in the web page Kishore Batayan. You can also log into there and you can watch the videos again. You can also comment and you can participate in the quiz, because the quiz will be also available there. So thank you very much.